Are you fucking kidding me? Stripe Tower, Cry, Serena Gamer, Henry, everyone I know from the community. This is not what I wanted this to end. You know? The platform that Henry made for the community, for us, it's family. Is this fucking serious? You know? This is family that Henry made in the YouTube community. And it's falling piece by piece. And everyone's fighting. What if Karai broke up with Henry and I don't know. I'm the only one that's here to help. Look, I'm the one that is helping most of the time. I'm trying to help you, Henry, to heal, to rest. And you never listen. Do you think this is what everyone else on the platform wanted? Like Caramel's channel, where... Never mind. I've been trying to help you guys for a while, and yet you never listen. Listen, guys, deadlines are coming up for me, and you're here for my video I made, and yeah. Please, stop fighting. It's fucking pissing me off, please. I know how you guys feel, and I don't mind. But please stop fighting and arguing. Please. We're a family now on the community. I love you guys. You're my friends. And family as well. Please. Stop fighting. I won't be on next week because deadlines. Ever since the last months ago, I was in middle school, I think. No, wait, middle school ended, and I met Henry, Mark, everyone I know for the first time. I'm very happy to be friends with you guys, but please, enough fighting, okay? See you guys until, Thanksgiving arrives and deadlines are